Hey everyone, my name is River. Okay. As Christmas is right around the corner, I was thinking what better time to just do an over-the-top crazy hairstyle. It will also be matching my vintage Christmas shirt, which is a little extra. I am going to be turning myself into a beautiful Christmas tree. We are gonna have some Christmas tree hair. Luna just gave me her unicorn. Very nice! Thank you for the Christmas gift. You want to take that back? She doesn't want it back. I'm just gonna put it on top of your head. So what you're gonna need is a hairbrush, some hair ties, hair bubbles, elastics, whatever you want to call them, some of these, and also some sort of like cone shape that is light but structurally sound to help hold the hair together. I love to use this Weird Fish water bottle that I have. It's like a little bit smaller. It's like about the size of your hand and it's hollow, so it's light, but it's like the perfect size. And my hair isn't that long, so I can't use like a big bottle or anything like that. And you'll also need some decorations from your hair. I will be stripping my beautiful Halloween Miss tree and just putting those bits on my head. First, obviously, brush through your hair, make sure there's no knots, and that it's good to go. Next, I'm going to be sectioning some of my hair. I want to have my fringe and some of the front down, so I'll try and pick how much of that hair that I want framing my face. Now I also have an undercut, so this will be like slightly different if you don't, but generally the same. Although just because it's winter and it's cold doesn't mean you should stop staying hydrated, so make sure you keep drinking your liquids. If your hair's a little unruly, you might want to use a little bit of like water, some hairspray, whatever works best for you to sort of get your hair to go a certain shape. So I'm gonna want the bottle to sort of be like on the top in the middle, but I'm gonna want hair like in the front and on all sides. So I'm gonna divide my hair up, make sure that some of it doesn't get like tucked underneath. So we've got some in the front. So now it's for the trickiest part. Make sure that you've got an elastic ready on your hand to sort of capture your structural piece in your hair. Now brush it up. Make sure it's all going straight up to the sky. Your hair probably doesn't want to do that, but okay. So I'm gonna pop the bottle around here-ish. Got a lot of it on the back there, but we can mold it a bit and we'll move it around. Make sure it goes the right way. Got the front hair, I'm just hooking that with my pinky. And I'm just gonna sort of use my fingers like a brush and see how we do. So I've just done the elastic at the very top, looking a little bit like a troll. The bottle is like trapped in the hair. You can kind of move it around a bit still if you want to try and get a different shape. If you have super thin hair like me, you can tease your hair a little bit, try and make it look a little bit thicker. I'm just gonna take this wispy bit at the top and just tuck that into part of the elastic. So it's a little less wispy. And just like a really tiny little bun. Also, don't worry if you've got any gaps where you can like clearly see the bottle, because that's what the decorations are for. So, because I have really short hair, I do have pieces that are falling down in the back. Again, this is the perfect time to use your cute hair clips to just pin that back up into the hair and just make it a part of it. At this point, you will probably want to add your hairspray and such, just so everything stays and doesn't run away from you. Right, I just had to redo this because Luna had to go out for a pee and I didn't want to go out with my hair looking like this. So when I redid it, I did some teasing and that really does help with any gaps that you're worried you won't be able to cover. Now it's time for the fun part. I am going to derobe my Christmas tree and steal all the pretty things for my head. You can use whatever decorations you want, whatever decorations you have. But I think a bow is a really cute idea. That is just so perfect. I feel like Cindy Lou right now. It's so sparkly. I feel really bad for my tree, and I feel really bad for myself because I spent so much time decorating this tree. But hey. Oh, should I use the orange one or the black one? The orange one will show up better in my hair. Sorry, I mean garland. I just said colors without saying what I was talking about. I also kind of feel like this is too much garland for my head. Low-key tempted to just cut it because you wouldn't be able to tell on the tree anyway. Maybe I can like double it up. It's a lot for my tiny little head. I'm gonna, woo! She knocked over my juice. Once we took it into the elastic, just like a tree, I'm just gonna twirl it all the way around. Like so. Oh, and my hair clips right at the back, which is perfect. We're just clipping the back of it in. Genius. First of all, I would like to apologize to my tree. That is now just a mess. We have managed to untangle some lights. So I'm just gonna do the same thing. I probably should put the lights on first, but hey ho. Do what you want. I'm just gonna tuck it into part of my hair and choke myself out. Please don't choke yourself out. Wrap the lights around the hair like you would a tree. Lights, where you going? It's better. I've got some bubbles. I've also got candy canes, but like they're a little crushed and I don't know if I'll be able to get them in my hair. These bubbles do not want to stay. I feel really cute. I feel like I'm living my Dr. Seuss fantasy. I can feel some things are a little loose and they may pop out. Now we're talking. Look at that. This is so cute. Look at me, I'm a tree. Oh, I can see my reflection on the TV. Also for the lights, it's better to use the ones that come with like little battery packs. I've just done my plug-in one because I could not for the life of me get my battery packed one to come off of my tree that I now have to redecorate. Also, don't use anything that could start a fire in your hair because that would be really bad. What do you think about my hair?
Sick.
Am I cute?
Fuck yeah, that looks awesome.
I'm a tween. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you do some crazy Christmas hair. And I hope that you all have an amazing Merry Halloween-mas, Merry Gothmas. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!